What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm doing all right myself. So, I'm back. Took a slight little vacation for about a week due to the rain. Just couldn't really film during that time frame. Don't get me started on that rain. Nothing but swamp. But anyway, I'm back. Gonna do a lot of cooking, try to make up some time now. But today, we're going to do up some Louisiana crawfish bread. It's going to be nice and toasty. It's going to be flavorful. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're doing this over medium heat. Let that melt for a minute, coat the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to add in half a cup of celery, half a cup of onions, and half a cup of bell peppers. Let that sweat out for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and stir in 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. And let that go for 2 minutes. Oh, this is smelling so good. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our crawfish. You're going to put in the crawfish tails. One tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of hot sauce. Might add a little bit too much, but hey, that's more for me. Pinch of salt. Let that go ahead and cook for about 3 minutes. Now that the 3 minutes are up, we're going to go ahead and pull it off the burner and let it cool down while we move on to our next step. Now I'm using a pellet grill today. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, set it to smoke, let all that white smoke at the beginning come out of it. We don't want any of that in our food. Just let it all billow out. Then once that's done, go ahead and shut it lid down and turn it to 350 degrees. Now that the crawfish has cooled down, we're going to go ahead and add that into the bowl. Pour in 1 bag of shredded mozzarella provolone cheese, 1 8-ounce bag. Break that apart. Half a cup of mayo. One tablespoon of Creole mustard. And now we go ahead and stir this up to combine it. Now we go ahead and take a 15-inch loaf of French bread, cut it straight down the middle. And we start loading it up. We got more left over, so I'm going to do a second loaf. But I'll show you just this one loaf. So we're going to go ahead now and add on some green onions. Fold it over. Wrap that up. And put it on the smoker now for 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, it's been on for half an hour. Time to go ahead and see what we got. Even a wasp wants to see what we got. Get out of here. Oh yeah, we looking real good. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Oh yeah. Everything's melty. Let's cut this right down the middle. Oh, looking real good. Let's now go on to that taste test. Here we go. Nice and crunchy, creamy, got a nice kick to it. Great flavor. Oh, so good. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.